Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Sponsored by the Mellish Family Studio Access Wisdom Radio. On YouTube. Tony Prophet and his idea to rebuild Jamaica, starting by changing the coat of arms to the coat of covenant. Stream Tony Prophet on YouTube and all streaming platforms. Did you know this? Jamaica, land we love. Most Jamaicans know it as the national anthem. Did you know this? The anthem is the creative work of four persons: the late Reverend Honorable Hugh Sherlock, O.J., O.B.E., the late Honorable Robert Light Bourne, O.J., the late Eugene Mapletoft Poulle, and his wife Christine Allison Poulle, who is Hugh Sherlock. Did you know this? He is the man who wrote the lyric to the Jamaican national anthem. His full name is Hugh Graham Sherlock. He was born in Portland, Jamaica on March 21, 1905. He was ordained as a Methodist minister in 1932, and served as a missionary in the Turks and Caicos Islands, before returning to Kingston, Jamaica, in 1940. Did you know this? He was a Jamaican author and the first president of the Autonomous Methodist Conference of the Caribbean and the Americas. He is well remembered for writing the lyrics of Jamaica, Land We Love, which became Jamaica's national anthem. Did you know this? He was educated at Beckford and Smith School, now known as St. Jago High School. Did you know this? Eugene Mapletoft Poulle C.D., born on July 17, 1923 in Kingston, Jamaica. He was the son of Eugene Poulle, Registrar General of Jamaica. In 1952 Poulle married Christine Allison McLaughlin, and together they had 3 children. Did you know this? In 1962, Jamaica achieved political independence, and great effort was put into creating a national anthem which would reflect the hopes and aspirations of the new nation. The Reverend Hugh Sherlock had written the lyrics for the anthem and asked the Honorable Robert Light Bourne, an industrialist, politician and musician, to put the words to music. Light Bourne, who had no formal music education. Did you know this? After several attempts he found that he was unable to coordinate any music with the words written by Sherlock, so he turned to Mapletoft Poulle for assistance. Poulle also had difficulty in putting the words and music together, but with the help of his wife Allison, also musically talented, they were eventually able to complete the anthem. They could however only use 4 bars of the music that Robert Light Bourne had written, and had to also make minor changes to the lyrics. Did you know this? The end result was an anthem which is regarded by many as one of the most beautiful ever written. Eternal Father, bless our land, guard us with thy mighty hand, keep us free from evil powers, be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Teach us true respect for all, stir response to duty's call, strengthen us the weak to cherish, give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Sponsored by the Mellish Family Studio Access Wisdom Radio. On YouTube. Tony Prophet and his idea to rebuild Jamaica, starting by changing the coat of arms to the coat of covenant. Stream Tony Prophet on YouTube and all streaming platforms.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.